Hello everyone, it's good to see you. Hope you are doing well and fine. My name is Kit Tan. Welcome to my channel. I am in Bangkok, Thailand. And in this video, we are going to tour around this area here in Bangkok. The Pak Khlong Talat, or the flower market. So join me as we are going to stroll along this flower market that has huge retailers that specializes in all kinds of flowers. So if you like to get some flowers, or if you just would like to come over to enjoy a little bit of sightseeing over here, you can come over at this Pak Khlong Talat here in Bangkok. So join me, and we are going to start the tour right now. So for the convenience of the transportation, you can get the MRT and can get down at this Sanam Chai MRT station and exit number 4 to get to this Pak Khlong Talat. Just as you reach this Pak Khlong Talat here, you can see this is actually a really busy area here. Just as busy as in Yawarat, the Bangkok Chinatown. And you can see quite a lot of shops, retailers specializing in all kinds of flowers that are scattered along the road here in Pak Khlong Talat. Now this is a huge retailers, the huge flower retailers that has all kinds of flowers that you can get from here. So we're going to stroll along the streets here as well as the market. So there's one flower market over there, and there's another one over here as well. So we're going to get inside this flower market and let's check out the sights, what you can get inside this flower market over at this Pak Khlong Talat in Bangkok. First of all, let's check out this ICP flower market at this Pak Khlong Talat here. So just as we get into the market, you can see a lot of flowers already available here for sale. พี่อันนี้ขายยังไงครับพี่เท่าไหร่ครับ So this one here is for 130 baht. So you have the 20 baht as well as the 50 baht one. Some nice flowers there. So you have the 80 baht as well. This one here for 80 baht, you can get these flowers here for 80 baht. So there's just so many choices of flowers, and prices are quite reasonable over here. So this is basically a sea of flowers over at this flower market in this Pak Khlong Talat in Bangkok. Apart from the flowers, you can get some greens as well, vegetables. You can see here. There's this cabbage on sale. You have lime as well over here. These baby potatoes as well. More flowers here. You can see some colorful flowers there. I mentioned apart from flowers, you can get some fresh vegetables here, some fresh food stuff over here. This is the bags of potatoes, and you have more veggies over here as well. So over here you can see a lot of veggies as well. So we are going to check out yet another flower market here. This is the Yot Piman flower market. So not only the flowers are colorful, it's emitting the very aromatic smell just as you walk and stroll along this market. So the whole market here smells really aromatic with the flavor from the flower that is emitting from the flowers. So these are some of the orchids here. So with the different color there of orchids. So this is quite a huge market. It's the Yot Piman flower market. This one here, one is for this one here for 20 baht, and you have 6 for 120 baht there for one plastic bag here. So each of this one here is 20 baht. So take a look at the colorful flowers there. More choices of flowers over here. So each one for 20 baht. a lot of these yellow color flowers there, where the Thais use this for prayers purposes. So the orchids again here. There are a lot of these yellow colored flowers here that are used by the Thai for prayer purposes are on sale here. So I believe a lot of small retailers actually got their supplies here and sold at their respective shops scattered all around the Bangkok and greater Bangkok area. So they can get a wholesale price over here. So there's a lot of orchids on sale here, apart from those yellow flowers which are used for prayer purposes by the Thais. As the earlier flower market that we explore, so there is this section here over at this flower market that also specializes in green vegetables. There are a lot of baby tomatoes as well over here. You can see here there's another stall that specializes in these baby potatoes. And you have the ginger over here. Potatoes and onions. Look at this eggplant here. So apart from the flower markets at this Pak Khlong Talat, you can see some shops that is scattered around this Pak Khlong Talat area here, which also has flowers on sale. You can see there's a lot of flowers on sale here as well. So this is the sunflower there. So there are quite a number of flowers on sale at this shop here. You have the rose there. And then you have the chrysanthemum as well. This one here is just for 90 baht, and this is 160 baht. 160. Đó ni. 170 baht for this one, the big one here. So it's quite an affordable price over here at this Pak Khlong Talat in Bangkok. So literally there are so many choices of flowers with inexpensive prices that you can get here. Take a look at this flower here. So bouquet of flowers there with different prices. So you have more choices here as well. Another flower shop here. So yet another flower shop here over at this Pak Khlong Talat. So as I have said earlier, there are quite a number of flower shops scattered outside here over at this Pak Khlong Talat here, apart from the indoor market. So you can get your flowers along the main road over at this Pak Khlong Talat here, the shops that are located at the main road of Pak Khlong Talat. So this one each for 30 baht. So colorful flowers there. And this one here for 50 baht. We take a look inside one of the flower shop over at this Pak Khlong Talat here. So take a look at the shop here. This is one of the shop specializes in all kinds of flowers, beautiful and colorful flowers inside this shop here. That's the Pak Khlong Talat there for you. The Pak Khlong Talat flower market. I hope you enjoy watching this Pak Khlong Talat video series here, the Pak Khlong Talat tour, the flower market tour. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. For those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for notifications of more of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you in my next video.